Hello, this is Nick with Travel Camp of Orange Park. Today we're going to be looking at the Wolfpack 21 WP120 travel trailer toy hauler. It's the limited package. This one's a little bit different. It's got the toy hauler section in the front of it. You can use this as a patio or something like that as well. This one has a rear slide out also. This is where the bed is going to be right here. Let's take a look inside. So this is gonna have bunks. There's a lot of sleeping places here. You got the bunk right there. Goes through like that. Got some storage on it right here. Like a wardrobe type. That's pretty big actually. The bathroom. Pretty good size shower. Got a big sink too. It's a really big sink actually. Storage up top. 3 burners. An oven. More storage below. You got the U-shaped dinette right here that comes with a table. And this is under the table is a sofa that converts as well. Here's your bed. It's a pretty big bed actually. Some more storage. Refrigerator. Audio. Right there. Let's take another look around from this angle. It's pretty big in here actually. Nice floors.